Hey YouTube, it's Jordan. I'm back doing some Walmart shopping. So you can see Walmart. We're gonna look for some cars. Texas City. Well, let's take a look at the Hot Wheels first. That one looks cool. So does that one and that one. But I have that one. Fire truck. Five alarm. Oh, cool. A lot of raises up right here. Yeah, just pretty good. Gonna. Sorry guys, weird. But yeah, this would be station. I don't know which one this would go to, but yeah, it'll be edition. And let's keep looking. I already have that one, but I really want that. Ooh, here's a white, black Cadillac. Cadillac one. I have the white one. I have the white version of this. This would be cool and stuff. So this would be good. So yeah. So that's back everything. So Matchbox Cadillac one. Yeah. So this one too. Those two. So let's keep looking. Alright guys, 10 minutes and under, or at least 15. At least 20 at the most. So yeah, where's it? Woo! Oh, wow. I think this is new. This one. This fire truck. And the Cadillac. But yeah, what does that say? State Troopers. Cool. Let's look for if they have another one of these. State Troopers. So, I'm gonna just push these out of the way for a minute. So, yeah guys, sorry. I'm not gonna show you stuff. Not everything. I keep dropping them. But, yeah. Say hi! Hi! Hi, YouTube! But yeah, so, I'm just gonna set these up. Like this, and if you hear noise, that's just the beeping. Sorry guys. Yeah, these three, definitely gonna ask my mom to get these three. I also have my own money, so I can. Let's keep looking. Alright, YouTube, post some comments if you want me to do more of these when we go to stores. Just remind me and everything. So what are these? I don't need another one of those. I got one of those for Christmas. Remember that Christmas last year? It was a good Christmas. I mean, I could use another one of these, but I already have two of them. I don't need another one. So, yeah. I don't know what else I want. We're just gonna go. I don't know. But yeah. I have one of those. Ooh, hovercraft. What does that say? Sea Spy. Not really a spy. It's a boat. But yeah, ooh, 007 Spectrum. I have that one for Skyfall right there. $5, jeez, no, and no. That'd be weird, no. Okay, yeah guys, so we're gonna put these all up. Everything. And I'll make a separate video. This will be for part 2. Like just when we're checking out, or part 2 will just be unboxing these and everything. I might add something else special, like a small little extra thing. That's probably going to be cars, toys, or books maybe, or maybe a game. I don't know. Hey, new Captain America: Civil War. I wanted to watch that on Friday, but my dad didn't let me. So here's the cars and everything. I'm not gonna get those. I don't wanna. yeah. So, Legos, I don't want any Legos, everything. So, yeah, these fire trucks. This one will go to highway, the state truck will go to highway. The fire truck, I'm thinking of making it go to station. I don't know, I will have to look at that. But, yeah, let's just keep digging. No, what's that? Yeah, they have another Cadillac. Oh, flipping God. Sorry, guys. Yeah, I have one of those. I showed you this guy's in this review. Sorry, couldn't freaking talk. But yeah, desert looks cool, but right there, desert 5-pack. But no. Yeah, we're at 6 minutes and 6 seconds. I'll go over to the books real quick. Not books, like other toys and stuff, and we'll be right back with you. Sorry guys, I just wanted to show you something. This, I have that, and I have the military version of that too, right there, up there. So just wanted to do that. Next style is just this. See, army card. No. Oh, I'm going on a field trip on Friday to see the Jungle Book. I have this. Oh, I have this. This is actually fun right now. It's cool. Yeah, Batman. Don't really like Batman. Everything. So 7 minutes, guys. RC cars, but yeah, these 3 I'm gonna get. So, so these 3 I'm gonna get. So, see you in part 2. And bye, guys. Peace out.